welcome to Vlogmas day 19. I have to change this calendar. Oh wait, no, it's correct. I don't know, I figured that it's probably like a regular calendar because I feel like if it was a countdown calendar, it would have said it was a countdown calendar, and then at the same time Tim pointed out that if it was a countdown calendar, the 25 would be up there and the 1 would be down here. So it made sense, but we kind of already did it kind of as like a countdown calendar, so it's just chilling right there for now. But anyways, we just made some pizza and we are about to have it. We had some cheese pizza that was in the fridge, so we decided to just make it. And as you can see, this kid already took a bite out of this one, and he was like, oh, we'll just put it back and nobody will notice. But I can pretty much notice that big spot right there. So we're about to have some pizza. As you can see, I am so freaking tired. And also, you know me, I'm over here watching Victorious. I don't know why, but after season 3 I kind of just stopped watching it. Not right now, but like just in general when the show was out. I stopped watching after season 3 because I cannot remember any of these episodes. So I think that's when I just kind of like grew out of it, because this came out like 10 years ago. And 10 years ago I was what? In like sophomore, freshman or so. So I stopped watching it around like high school time. And so yeah, I can't remember any of these. And to be honest, I don't even want to keep watching anymore because I just can't remember any of the episodes. And it's just like, yeah, I kind of like grew out of it by this time. But yeah, this is our current situation. Our lights outside are still there. I thought by now the tape would have kind of like fallen apart, but it's still there. Also have the candle over here. So this one is pretty much gone. Like, that is how much I love this scent. So I just have the other one right here, but I'm not gonna light it up until like it gets closer to Christmas, because once I light up a candle, I just let it burn like the whole day, and then it'll be gone in like 3 days. So I'm gonna have to wait for this one. But yeah,
we're not gonna make the cookies like my mom would in the batter and everything, but we're gonna take the tube of cookies and cut it out.
This is our attempt at making Christmas cookies.
We're not good bakers. Is it now? That's 2 inches. Like that.
They were supposed to be 1/2 inch, and he said 2-inch pieces. So we're already starting off wrong.
I need a cooking show. Look at these knife skills.
So last time we made cookies, we made these kind?
Yeah, these kind.
It was like, yeah, this one. And it was just like a big old blob of cookie.
Yeah, all over it. Cut together.
So hopefully this time, that won't happen. No, a little bit farther than that. Cookies are ready to go. Look at that one. Wait, you made a hole in all of them?
No.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
All those. And those.
No. Just to make them better.
Currently watching The Grinch. Now on to our second batch of cookies. We're letting those cool on
our makeshift cooking rack. How salt they got while they were sitting out.
We are some phony cookie makers. So these we kind of left out, and now they're just like melting, and the shape is like, oh, weird. They're not even like a circular. Tim, what in the world is this?
You gotta flatten them. It don't really matter. They're gonna You just gotta make sure they're oval or circular a little bit.
This is like a. This is a stick.
Cookies don't gotta be perfectly round. You just see, look, see, you make them like that. Putting a heart. Here, let me try one.
What in the world is that? What is that?
It's supposed to be a little
Is it a heart?
It's supposed to be a Santa hat.
Where? What is that?
It was gonna be an ornament.
Looks nothing like an ornament.
That one looks cool.
Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video. We kind of failed at making cookies.
I thought we did good.
No. But anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's video. Bye guys.